net profit ratio. This ratio shows a relation of revenue from operation to net profit after deducting all the operational as well as non-operational expenses and incomes. Significance of net profit ratio. It tells about the profitability of the business and used in computation of return on investment. It also tells about the overall efficiency of the business. Return on capital employed or investment. This ratio tells about the overall utilization of the funds by the organization. Capital employed means long-term funds employed in the business, like shareholders' funds, debentures, and long-term loans. Capital employed may be considered as total of non-current assets and working capital of the business. Significance of return on capital employed ratio. It measures return on capital employed in the business. It tells about the efficiency of the business in utilization of funds invested by shareholders, debenture holders, and long-term loans. It also helps in inter-firm comparison. Return on shareholders' funds. This ratio is very important from shareholders' point of view, as they want to know whether their investment in the firm generates a reasonable return or not. The return should be higher than the return on investment. Otherwise, it would reflect that the company's funds have not been employed profitably.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.